What's going on, guys? Your boy G over here at the loft. Just checking out the birds. Everybody's doing good. I was gonna put all the males in the crates and the females in the crates and start selecting my pairs, but I have done so much today already. I don't feel like getting to this part right now. A lot of the males are outside. I closed that up for the winter, so no hard breeze will come in here, strong winds, so they only get a little access hole outside and back and forth. All the nest boxes are closed up. The floor is nice and dry, as always. So it should be. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. And that's the problem. One bird stands there, and that's 273. He's a beast. He'll stay there and beat everybody up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Goop, 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 goop. They just fight everybody. He's like the bodyguard. Come on, come on, come on. A bird like that is beautiful. He's paired up with 145 from Penny White, double combine winner, and the red band winner is her parents. So she's a checker. She's a little checker hen. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. They'll come. Come on, girls. Oh, they'll start coming in. See, them little roller pigeons, they're little, but they are tough. Tough little guys. They will bully the homers around like no tomorrow. Look at this beautiful bird. This is beautiful. Alright, guys, so this is what's going on. Let me go outside. I've been cleaning this over here. Look at all these feathers. Like a hawk came through here. Alright, so this is my hallway. Well, now it's gonna be used for something else. So I took everything out. So I'll leave the feed area. I'm gonna buy like a bucket like that with the cap, and I'm gonna put my feed in the corner, and I'm gonna put like a blanket type of thing over here. So when I open this door, the birds won't fly out. I gotta push the blanket aside and I'll go through. Or some type of netting, like a mesh netting. Of some sort. I'm gonna close this up. Probably just put some chicken wire going up. No big deal. I'm gonna put plywood on that. And so I don't know what I should do over here. If I should put my breeders, the cockbirds that you see in here, with this box in that box. So it's what, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 16 boxes out here. So it'll be 16. I'll start from that corner, probably to here. The boxes will be. So I'll put my cockbirds here. I'll breed in here, and I'll breed over here. I'll select the pairs I select. I'll put in here, and whoever wants to breed in here, just freely breed in here. And I can pick as well, because I can shut the boxes like it is here. Shut them in there, and I can pick their mate. So that's what I would like to do. All the cockbirds come over here, and this is where they will stay. Okay, and over here is where I will fly my old birds or young birds in that section, old birds in this section, or young birds just over here and old birds on the other coop over there. Old birds over there. Okay, because young birds we breed a little bit more, so that's where I'm getting at. And this coop can hold a lot more young birds than the other coop can. Or I can put my old bird team over there in that section, you know, and put my young birds in here and over there. But they will be going out at the same time. So when I let 2 out over there, I'm gonna let 2 out from over here, and that's how it's gonna be. And by the time I have half of the team out over there, I'll have half of the team out over here. Because I'm not gonna do like last year. That's if I fly, because I got a lot of stuff going on right now. My fiance is in college, so she's gonna be working part-time. So I'm gonna be having to step up and take care of all the bills, basically. And I'm not gonna get into my financials with social media, so that's that. But just put it as I'm gonna be doing most of the paying stuff, you know. But and then my son, he's gonna be starting sports, soccer and stuff like that. So I gotta start taking the time for him and staying with him and enjoying him growing up. You know, this pigeon stuff is a lot, so I don't know. And for now, I put this like over here like this so the snow won't rush in. I gotta do the same thing over here. So for now, I put the boxes in here. This used to be where the young bird aviary used to be. I was gonna cut a hole so the hens can come over here as well, or whoever wanted to use it. But this is a good little storage area for my crates, so that's what's gonna do. The young birds over there, they're doing great. Today's a 300-mile race, and I'm not racing today because of my clock. It's all screwed up. So that's what's going on, guys. Comment down below, what would you do? Put your breeders over here, or fly old birds out of here, or young birds out of here? It's a pretty big space. Like, I can fit a good amount of young birds, you know. The door, this is how it is. This is the front over here. This is the side. So I open that door to go in. So I will have to probably put a cage out here if I was to put young birds so they can see. But if I was to do young birds, it would suck because this is the back of the coop, and the birds I need the birds to look over there. Look at all this stuff I gotta burn. I gotta burn all this wood. That's new. Collecting pigeon dust. Look at them. That's why I'm cleaning everything up, guys. It's a clean out. All this stuff was in here. I cut everything up and made some room. But I think this is the best bet is for the breeders, because they don't need to go out nowhere. They can just stay right here. You know, I can make a little hole right here, put a cage, and they can look outside in the back. You know, so I don't really need to do much with the breeders. And then over here, this is all set up already for my old birds or young birds. So that's what I want to do. I'll take these boxes out and put them in here before I start the breeding season. Breeding season starts pretty soon, believe it or not. So, and tomorrow I should do it today. I should pick out the cocks and the hens that I want for breeding, and the rest can remain. I'll throw them in there. All the hens are breeding. I have extra cocks, so the extra cocks, I'll shut this door and I'll put them in here. That's it, guys. Hope everybody's doing great. Hope you guys had a good season. Yeah, breeding starts soon, and pretty soon we'll be having some eggs. All right, guys, thank you. Have a great one. Bye-bye now.